By the way guys, in the tutorial I already Now let's play some colors with these beautiful Now let's play some colors with these beautiful lippies that can look as Hello guys, it's the Actress Wannabe. Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm here again for another makeup tutorial. And this time we're going to do this, or we're going to achieve this look for Valentine's Day, because I know most of you girls want to be that also gorgeous on Valentine's Day. By the way guys, in the tutorial I already did my foundation, my eyebrows, and others, but of course except for the eye makeup because I want to focus on the eye look. As I said a while ago, I already put some makeup, and these are the products I used in case you want to know. L'Oreal Infallible Pro-Matte Liquid Foundation, Age Rewind Concealer, Ben Nye Colorless Powder, Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade, Nichido Eyebrow Gel. For the contour, I used the Milk Chocolate shade, and for the highlight, the Champagne Truffle from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. Master Flush Stick from Maybelline. Anyway, if you want to know how I did this eye makeup, then keep on watching. Now we're done putting colors on our eyes. I'll just put some mascara and I'll be right back. And I'm done! Now for the exciting part, let's play some colors with these two lippies to blend our look for today. Now, as you can see, you can look simply sweet. Be bold. Or the best thing is you can just be you. And that's it guys. Hope this video helped you in getting ready for Valentine's Day. Girls out there who are still waiting for their lucky guy can also do this makeup. Now go out there with your super confident self and treat yourself, treat your family, and date your family. Remember that Valentine's Day is not just looking for the right guy or finding a date, but loving your loved ones, like your family. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe now. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button down below for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Happy Valentine's Day and enjoy hanging out with your loved ones. And always remember to be an inspiration to everyone. Bye!